same old fight, trapped inside a box trying to find the light. They build the walls up high, I say to stay in line, but inside this static there's a different design. Wasn't looking for trouble, wasn't trying to be fake, just a soul with the fire and a limited take. Now I'm breaking the cage, I'm tearing it down. Feel the shockwave coming, shaking the ground. Make it, own it, take it until the whole world knows my sound. Snap, crack, ignite. I'm coming through the speakers, taking over the night. Snap, crack, ignite. I'm coming with a new fire, burning ever so bright. Snap, crack, ignite. I'm on every playlist, winning every fight, leaving all the doubt in total devastation. I can feel the change in the air I breathe. I can see a future they can't conceive. It's close enough to taste it now, so far from the person I used to be. What in the world is wrong with them? My mom and dad said I was born to win, so you won't hear no crying, no complaining from me, like on every other channel on the damn TV. So just sit right there, don't you touch that dial. Let me borrow your attention for a little while. I can show you a vision, a truth untold, a story that is finally breaking the mold. Oh yeah, now I'm breaking the cage, I'm tearing it down, feel the shockwave coming, shaking the ground. Make it, own it, take it until the whole world knows my sound. Snap, crack, ignite. I'm coming through the speakers, taking over the night. Snap, crack, ignite. I'm coming with a new fire, burning ever so bright. Snap, crack, ignite. I'm on every playlist, winning every fight, leaving all the doubt in total devastation. Why was I hiding in the back of my mind? Why did I think that I had to be kind? And will I make it to the finish line? Or will I fade away and leave it all be? Snap, crack, ignite. Snap, crack, ignite. Let's go! 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 It's all taking over. It's all taking over. It's all taking over. It's all taking over my soul. It's all taking over. It's coming out of me. It's all taking over control. Let's go! Everybody, everybody, let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Everybody, everybody, let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Snap, crack, ignite. Everybody, everybody, let's go! Snap, crack, ignite. Everybody, everybody, let's go! Snap, crack, ignite.
Hello everybody, my name is Igor. Welcome back to IGOCAR. If you've been thinking about transforming your Porsche with ultra wide body kit like this, we would love to help. At IGOCAR, we don't just install body kits, we provide a seamless start to finish experience. When you order your body kit through us, we'll handle everything from sourcing the kit to professional installation, bodywork, paint, and final assembly, delivering a factory quality finish without a hassle. If you're ready to build your dream Porsche, we'd love to hear from you. Reach out to us at elevate@igocar.store and let's make it happen. And one last thing, if you enjoy what we're building at IGOCAR and share our passion for creating exceptional Porsche builds, we are currently looking for a long-term strategic investment partner to help fund the next phase of our growth. Our vision is to expand beyond individual projects and become a recognized destination for high-quality Porsche customization. If you are interested in being part of this journey, we'd love to start a conversation. Please reach out to us at elevate@igocar.store.